Welcome students. Today we will do the next chapter, My Experiment with Truth, written by M.K. Gandhi. So let's start the word meaning first. Autobiography, an account of person's life written by that person. Shy, nervous in the company of other person. Companion, friend, clung, held on closely. Distaste, mild dislike. Undying, lasting forever. Pilgrimage, a journey to a holy place. Ordeals, painful experiences. Now the question answers. Number 1. Which two books inspired Gandhiji a lot during his childhood? Two books which inspired Gandhiji a lot during his childhood were Shravan Pitrabhakti Nataka and number 2 is Harishchandra. Now question number 2. Pick out the extract from the text which tells that Gandhiji was punctual. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed. That was my daily habit is the extract which tells that Gandhiji was punctual. Now question number 3. Why did Gandhiji dislike games and gymnastics? Gandhiji disliked games and gymnastics as he thought games and gymnastics has nothing to do with education. What made Gandhiji feel ashamed of himself during his visit to South Africa? Gandhiji believed that good handwriting was not necessary part of education. During his visit to South Africa, he saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men and felt ashamed of himself as his handwriting was very poor. Why did Gandhiji steal gold from his brother's armlet? Gandhiji stole gold from his brother's armlet to clear his debt of ₹25. Question number 6. Why did he confess his guilt to his father? How did he make the confession? Gandhiji confessed his guilt to his father as he couldn't bear the guilt. He made the confession by writing a note. What, according to Gandhiji, is the purest type of repentance? Answer. According to Gandhiji, a clean confession combined with a promise never to commit the sin again is the purest type of repentance. Now the hard questions. Explain. He who is truthful will do no evil. Now the answer is the given statement is quite true as one who is truthful will think twice before doing anything. He will think about the pros and cons of his action. He will think how his action affect others, and if he finds that his actions will have negative effect on others, he will not take that action and therefore he will do no evil. Now the second is B part. Confessing one's mistake to one's parents needs great mental strength. Would you describe Gandhiji as a brave boy? It's true, confessing one's mistake to one's parents needs great mental strength. Yes, I would describe Gandhiji as a brave boy as when he decided to confess his mistake, he knew his father would be angry. He might get harsh punishment or scolding, but still he confessed. It shows he is brave and mentally strong. Now the life skill. Physical training is as important as mental training. Discuss with your partner the importance of physical training in life. Physical training is very important in everyone's life as it provides long-term health benefits. Our body is like a machine and it needs regular movement. Some good forms of physical training are walking, playing, running, etc. It keeps us physically fit. It provides us with energy. It keeps our blood circulation normal. It improves our concentration. So, healthy mind resides in healthy body. Now the values. Read the incident and write the values that Gandhiji imbibed from them. So the values are given here. You have to write the incident. He saw the picture of Shravan carrying his parents on pilgrimage. What value he got? Devotion towards parents. He read the play Harishchandra to follow the path of honesty. His headmaster convicted him of lying. It is the value is a man of truth must also be a man of care. He observed the good handwriting of people in South Africa. What value he got? Good handwriting is necessary part of education. Now the fifth one is he stole gold and confessed it to his fathers. What value he got from it is a confession with promise never to commit sin again is the purest type of repentance. Now the second part B is we become the books we read. How far reading good books instrumental in building good character? Discuss. It's quite true that we become the books we read. As we read in the chapter My Experiment with Truth, how two books that Gandhiji read in his childhood helped him in his character building. Books are our best friends, guide, philosopher, etc. They are mean through which different qualities can be imbibed in children. It teaches us positive values which reflect the individual character. So we can say that reading books is instrumental in building good character to a great extent. Now the next question is the writing skill. And in the chapter My Experiment with Truth is a collection of Gandhiji's real life incidents and experiences at school which taught him what one should or not should do at school. List at least 5 things that you like a student should do while at school. Also write at least 5 things that a student should not do at school. So let us see the answer. What the student should do. Number 1 is a student should be punctual to school. A student should maintain discipline in the school. He should always complete homework. He or she should be in proper uniform. Student should listen attentively in the class. And what are the things the student should not do? Yes, number 1 is a student should not use abusive words. A student should not make school dirty. A student should not come to school without arranging books according to routine. A student should not disturb the class. A student should not be late to school. Now the next question is Gandhiji's experience is mixed feeling for his son on receiving the confession note. He pens down his feelings in the form of a diary entry. Imagine yourself in his place and write a diary entry in about 180 to 100 words. Thursday. So in the diary entry we have to write first the day, date, time. Okay. The first day I have written here Thursday and date is 18 June 2020 and time is 10 p.m. Okay. Most of the time we used to give the night time. Okay. Because we are writing the diary. Now the next is Dear Diary. Today my son handed me a letter in which he confessed his crime of stealing gold. Though I should be angry, but I couldn't scold him as long as along with the confession he asked for adequate punishment and promised never to steal in future. Reading the confession, tears rolled down my face. My tears changed him forever. Good night. So these are the question answers. Thank you children. Goodbye.